When we select the signature, it's automatically added to the email. And that's how easy it is to create an email signature in Gmail. First, open Gmail, then click the settings icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. On the settings page, make sure you're on the General tab. Then scroll down. When you reach the signature section, click the Create New button. You can give your signature any name you want. Here, I'm typing work as an example, then clicking the Create button. Now you can prepare your email signature in this area. However, since this editing area is a bit small, I recommend preparing your signature first in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Once your signature is ready, copy it and paste it into the signature box in Gmail. For a more professional look, you can also add your photo to your signature. To do this, click the Insert Image button. Then go to the Google Drive tab, select Upload from the side menu, click Browse, choose your file and add it. As you can see, the photo looks a bit large. You can make it smaller by clicking the photo once and selecting Small. Once you're happy with your signature, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. Now I'm creating a new email as an example. When we click the Insert Signature button, we can see the signature we just created. When we select the signature, it's automatically added to the email. And that's how easy it is to create an email signature in Gmail